In today's tutorials, we are going to see about how to make a world clock using Python. Definitely, this video is an interesting one, so don't skip the video, otherwise you cannot understand this video. Time is considered as one of the valuable things in the world. So in today's tutorials, we are going to deal with time-related functions. We are going to create a world clock with the help of Python time zone. Python provides you several countries and continental time zones, but only we can access those time zones. We cannot install any other extra time zones, and this is considered as one of the major defects in Python. When we are dealing with the time-related functions, definitely we must use date and time module, but here we additionally use Python time zone module in today's tutorials. When you want to know the time of the particular place, you need two things. First one is the continent and the second one is the name of the place. This is the syntax of the code. In this step, we are also doing like that. Here we are adding Asia as a continent and place as a Kolkata. And finally, we are getting the time of that particular place. And finally, we need to print the statement. This statement prints the global time in given format. Now we are going to fetch the time for different countries. Here we need to follow the same procedures. Now we are going to print the list of time zones that is available in Python time zone modules. Here we only access the available time zones. We cannot install any other extra time zones in Python.